Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. We're here with our friends, Jeff and Sandra.
Hi.
Are you excited about today's project?
Very much
so.
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna lay out edging from edge right, and you tell the rest, since you're the expert.
Yes, we've done it at our place. It's actually, we love it. Sometimes it's challenging to put it, we have it on a slope and there are not many options. And here, maybe more options. It's easy to install. It has a beautiful look. It's made of 14 gauge COR-TEN steel, and we're gonna hammer it down after we do layout. Let's get to work.
Yay.
All right.
We're going to install edge-right edging to create raised flower bed along this fence.
We'll put string, then of course we'll hammer down somewhat because we don't have this, and then when we see it how it looks, right, visualize, then we can adjust. Whew, it's a really hot day, but what are you gonna do? We have time today. So now we're just deciding exactly how the flower bed gonna look like, and since we have a very long space with the fence, we would like to have few breakpoints kind of angled. So we're just trying this out. Maybe here. What do you say, Sandra? And then we'll go from here to there.
Let's give it a try.
And now we are outlining the flower bed with a string first to help us to visualize it before we start hammering it down.
I want to go around that tree, maybe just see how it looks. Actually, Jeff has a point. Let's think about it, because here is going to be patio. You don't want to keep the grass here because it's going to be hard to mow and all this, so grass needs to go. But you can do either pebbles and put a couple of pots, because it's going to be next to fire pit, right? And you can pebble this area, whatever shape. I hear you. So push it all the way to here.
I'm okay with that.
You have to love it. You don't have to be okay. If you haven't second thought, we'll just redo.
I'm okay with having a pebble.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to think about the switch between the most.
It's gonna be patio and then pebbles and two pots. You know what's gonna look around it. I would do this, right, as you decided, and let's plan on this side and leave this open, and we'll do it TBD. Maybe, Sandra, we leave that area whole open. And in a way, see, now we have, this is fine. Maybe we can put it even slightly in a little bit, because here we have open area and patios here, so it opens up. So maybe we do need second line. This one, lift another one, and start the, yeah, just adjust it so they need to fit perfectly like this. Okay? So we decided that we're gonna have angle here, and we'll just start hammering it down. We have several sprinklers here. So here's a sprinkler. We dug deep enough. So now we uncovered the water line in here. And the reason, of course, we don't want to damage it when we're putting edging down, when we're hammering it down. So now we have to like trace a little bit further, because see, it comes up closer to the surface. And if we would do edging right here, hammering down, we would most likely damage it. But now it sort of curves somehow, so we need to see whether we have a next turn for the edging. It's not on its way.
And you can bump into rocks or roots.
We're gonna be rich, honey.
One day, when you make money.
I thought you'll dig out a meteorite and it would make it.
Or better yet, a dinosaur skeleton.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Well, Jeff, I'm not sure you want to live in the property with that.
with all excavation.
Yeah. Imagine how many people gonna show up here.
That's true. We found treasure.
Yeah, you can hammer through this thing.
Easy.
Right, Jeff, take a real thing.
There you go.
To work.
My hand! Now changing angle a little bit because we don't want to cut the panels.
Because we hit
So-
enough fun already.
You know, we're just trying to fit in where we have break point. And all the work starts here with the muscling. One, two, you missed it.
It's end of day 1. Very exciting.
Hi guys, we had to take a break because we didn't have right connectors. So now they were shipped, we got them, so we can connect pieces and we'll continue. Also, according to the design, we envisioned the tree was on the way, so we had to move it a little bit. Let's continue. And I think we talked about this. We didn't want the flower bed to be completely parallel to the fence. So we're trying to create this kind of broken lines for the aging and then design the flower bed. We line those pieces down to make sure we can change slightly angle and we don't need to cut anything. Now we outline all the panels and ready to hammer it down. Needed to do that to make sure we don't have to cut anything and it will fit exactly the length of each panel. Off we go again. Too hot today. Well, after all, it's gardening with friends, so it would be nice to have a second pair of hands to hold these pieces in place. It would be much easier. But my friends are away for this week. So gotta do it, gotta do it, gotta do it, gotta do it.
And now installing connectors to keep panels together. And we're all done here. Happy edging! Now all aging is in place and flower beds are ready for planting. And in some of the areas we did incorporate stones in the flower bed as we discussed, and it came out really nice. Happy gardening!